This is not working. So I've got to figure out how to fix this White Rodgers thermostat. All right, here we go. I'm going to take it apart. All right, so I think the batteries are going on it. We're going to pop it apart. It just comes out like that. And I think those two Duracells need to be replaced, and once I do that, it should work. All right, so I think I have a couple over here. Got these two. I don't know. So these, you pull on this, it pops them out. And if you notice, they're going this way. So let's just put those on the floor. And I've got these two new ones. Here we are. So we're going to get our first battery in there. I'm going to slide it all the way in. Whoops. Slide it in. And it kind of clips. And that's good. That's there. And the second one we're going to put right there. Bam. Now I've got to get this here. We're going to put it back on there. And as you can see, it's at 66 degrees. It's freezing up here. So hopefully this will work. All right, so, yep. I think we're good. All right, so these batteries were dead. And that's how you change the batteries in a White Rodgers, whatever that is. It's on hold. Let's go to run. And now it should just, the AC is turned off, so it should come back to 76. Right, that's how you fix the thermostat. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out all my other awesome videos on how to do stuff I've never done before. Right here is the directions. You can read them if you need to read them. And that is that. White Rodgers thermostat. Bye.